I am going to show how to copy program from original remote control to a new remote control. First, you need to prepare the original remote control and new remote control. Original remote control has program to motor. And the new remote control is without program. First step, select channel 1, select channel 1, and the new remote control also select channel 1, and press start button of the original remote control until the motor jogs. Then press up button of new remote control, and still going channel 2, same method, and press start button until the motor jog, and select new remote control channel 2, press up button. Now you can see for the new remote control, I could control the motor too.